Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we will check out if the upgrade works properly for the OpenMandriva system. So we have earlier installed the OpenMandriva Lx4.2 version. So let us see whether it can upgrade to the newer 4.3 version. So let's start. So what we will do is we will open the software center. It is updating itself. There is a big update available right now. So we wait patiently for it to finish, then we can start the update. And after the update is completed, we will reboot and then we will again check the system information. Right now you can see the KDE Plasma version is 5.20.5, KDE Frameworks version is 5.78, Qt version is 5.15.2 and the kernel version is 5.10.14 desktop 1 OMV 4002 and the OS is 64-bit, and this is the configuration of hardware configuration of my virtual machine. Okay, so I think yes, there are 1799 updates. So let us apply these updates and check what is the change, whether the upgrade works, we get updated to the or upgraded to the version 4.3 or not. So let us start. I will click on the update all command. Before that, let us take a one glance at all the software packages that are going to get updated. So these are some application upgrades to aggregator, application menu bar, Arc, Breeze, these themes, Breeze and Breeze Dark, the default panel, Discover Software Center, Dolphin File Manager, Elisa Player, empty panel, Falcon web browser, file light. Then you got the Gwenview, Hanau, Huango. This is all related to the Chinese language. K address book, K backup, K calculator, K connect, K partition manager, KD plasma desktop, K dialog, K disk free, K get, K help center, K mail, K notes, K organizer, K system guard, K torrent. So all the applications are there. I will not go in each and every detail. So all the applications will get updated, and then the KDE add-ons will get updated. So you got the Dolphin camera, Dolphin KO, audio CD, Dolphin plugins, Discover package kit backend, Genome settings for the Open VPN client, Dolphin KDE graphics, Dolphin zero configuration support, KDE Plasma binary desktop. All this is volume control, application dashboard, analog clock, activity pager, activity bar, and so hence and so forth. So all the KDE add-ons will get updated along with the applications, KDE applications. So it is a big update. This is all the system components that are going to get updated, like the GPT FDISC, GNU PG, GLX info, PostScript common. All this Fuse 2 is the file system update. Framework integration, Fumatic filters, which are the filters for the printers. Fumatic database is the printer database. Firewall D, it is your firewall, system firewall. Then the upgrade to the file system itself, to the file, FFmpeg codecs, Falcon plugins, Falcon KDE. So everything is getting an update. These are the GStreamer plugin updates. So it is a very big system wide update. So without wasting much time, let us start the update or the upgrade. Okay, there is some package config from multiple matches for network manager OpenVM. Okay, so we have to just click on OK. We hit the update button again. So there is again this network manager OpenVPN. So what we can do is we will have to search for the I will have to search again, just a moment. Network manager OpenVPN. Okay, so what we can do is we will go select the N. We have to go down, go and search for the N. Now N has gone just upwards. Yes, network manager is here. Or we can see network. Just search for the network manager, it is there. Open VPN client. Okay. What we do is we again go and check for the updates. It might resolve the issue. I don't know why these two are there. Two same packages are there, 1.8.16. Okay. Or we can try for sudo dnf grade. Let us try with this. Yes. So OpenMandriva is also having the same package manager DNF like Fedora. So you can use that package manager DNF. You input your password. It will work. Maybe we will not have the conflict here. It is possible. Let us check out. So in OpenMandriva, there are two methods. Either you upgrade or update your system using the Discover software store, or you can do it from the terminal like I have shown you here. Both methods will work. Yes, so now you can see this is handling the conflict better than the Discover software store. So we can do the update using the terminal only. This many updates are there. You can see here. System D printer. All the updates are there. So you have to just let me maximize it. So these are the library updates. Lib is all libraries. Then the system D updates are there. Samba is there. Okay, okay. Let us, yes, here you can see it is handling the config better. So network manager OpenVPN is here, but there is no issue here like we had the issue in the Discover software center. So I will do the upgrade from terminal. There is no issue in terminal. You have to just input yes now, confirm the update or the upgrade, and then just let it do its course. The package distributor has shipped an updated version. What would you like to do about it? Your options are yes, install the package maintenance version, no, keep the currently installed version, D, show the differences between versions, and merge the configuration file. Z, background this process to examine the situation. S is keep the file. So what we can do is first we will input D, capital D. It will show the difference in the versions. Okay, what we do is we exit from the, okay, press return, and is not working. We have to go back. We'll do a control X. No, it is not working. We got examine. Okay, now it is back. Now how to exit this? Okay, what we can do is we can type shift plus plus plus. It is working. No, it is not working. And I'm not sure how to go back. How to go back about it. Okay, so what I will do is now we are now back. We will do a yes, that will install the package maintenance version. So it is always a safe choice. So for all the this choices, you go with the package maintenance version. So that is better choice always, because since we are upgrading the system, it is better to go with the package maintenance version, because that will be the latest one. So that's it. We have successfully completed the system upgrade for OpenMandriva Lx4.2 to 4.3. So the conclusion here is, if there is a file conflict, if the file there are two files with the same version, then in doing the updates from the discover, you have to deselect at least one any one of the two conflicting files, so that will resolve the conflict if the files are of the same version. So there is no automatic file conflict resolution in discover if the two file names have the same version. But if you do the upgrade from the console or the terminal, and if there is a file conflict with two files having the same version, then it will automatically resolve the file conflict. So we had the issue with the discover. So what was happening, there was 1800 files, 1799 total files or packages to be upgraded. So to find the conflicting files, open network manager was difficult. So what we did is we opened the terminal, did the upgrade from the terminal, and the conflict resolution was automatic. So with this, I stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the review of the OpenMandriva KDE desktop. See you in the next video. Bye bye.